Namaskar. A fresh good morning to one and all. Hope you and your family all are safe during pandemic COVID-19. Honorable Chairman and Vice President Sri Satesh Nadev Patil, respected Campus Director Colonel S.K. Joshi, respected eminent speakers for today's session, Mr. Abhinit Patil, Mr. Akshay Bonde, Dr. Parikshit Mahalle, and Dr. David Wood, Dr. Vijay M. Vadai, Principal and Convener of the program, Dr. Mrs. P. Malvi, Vice Principal and Convener of the program, invited guests, respected HODs, deans, faculty members, and dear participants. On behalf of Dr. D.Y. Patil Pratishthan, D.Y. Patil College of Engineering, Akuli, I, Mrs. Trupti Val, Assistant Professor from ENTC Department, welcome you all for the inaugural function of 4 days international webinar with hands-on workshop Artificial Intelligence and Data Science organized by ENTC Computer Instrumentation and IT Department of the college. Intelligence is the ability to adapt to change. A quote by Stephen Hawkins. It's a change. It's a core transformative way by which now we are thinking how we were doing everything. Dear students, we accepted the challenge of our collective karma, COVID-19, and providing a new learning platform to you all so that learning will be continued without any hindrances and you will be future predictors. Believe it's not magic, it's artificial intelligence. Before we start this session, I request everyone to mute your audio and video so that bandwidth problem will not disturb the session and it will definitely amplify your positivity and will attenuate the noise. As per our tradition, to mark the start of the auspicious occasion, let us seek the blessings of Ma Saraswati and Gajanan Maharaj. I once again request everyone to turn off audio and video.
David Woods, uh, all the respected faculty members, organizing committee members, and my dear student participants. The main challenge is to reduce the complexity and the interface between living and the non-living things. Humans have to be more intelligent than machines. Post-COVID, non-contactless self-decision making fight against a virus with a vaccine developed by artificial intelligence. In movie 2012, how survival of mankind by building intelligent ship is also demonstrated. But in future, the question is, will the machine work with us or it will work against us? So, based upon these objectives, we have all kept in mind, we have arranged this international workshop on artificial intelligence and data science for the prospective students and for our current students also. Our current students have to be equipped with the skills related to artificial in this workshop. Thank you one and all. Over to Trupti.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for your words of motivation. Now, may I request Principal and Convener of the program, Dr. Vijay M. Vadai sir, to guide the student participants with his words of wisdom. Over to you, Principal sir. Audible.
Okay. Om Sahanavatu Sahanav Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karvavahe Tejashvi Navadhitamastu Ma Vidvishavahe. Before I start this particular great international workshop on artificial intelligence and data science, this 4 days workshop, here officially I declare that this particular workshop on artificial intelligence and data science is inaugurated. Before I proceed, I would like to my deepest and sincere gratitude to Honorable Satesh Patil sir, who is MLC and Minister of the State for Home, Urban, Housing, Transports and Information Technology. He is also the Minister of the Parliamentary Affairs and Ex-Serviceman Welfare, Government of Maharashtra. Sir, because of your strong blessings and support, this symposium, this international level workshop is responsible for making this quality, sir, who is a campus director, who is and bringing the quality in complete, making this quality educational campus complex, bringing the quality in environment and culture of the quality in teaching learning too. Today we have various guest speakers from the across the globe. I heard that there are approximately 12 eminent speakers from the globe. They are participating and being the speaker for this particular international workshop on AI and data science. I'm very happy that young dynamic personality from Ontario, Canada, Mr. Abhinit Patil, who is heading this Intelli corporations and the technology solutions. They are already working into the field of the IoT, AI, data science, virtual reality and mixed reality, and cognitive computing too. I'm very happy that such kind of the eminent personality have come and agreed to consent for this particular international workshop. Hope so, we all will be benefiting out of this. Another personality, Mr. Akshay Bonde from Singapore Airlines, senior data scientist and working since last 10 to 15 years in this field of the data science. I heard that he was also sometimes for being with the Google for development of certain applications. Another personality, Mr. Dr. Parishit Mahalne, representation from the SPPU. Actually, I was expecting Dr. Varsha Patil, madam, but she was because she was busy with some other things and she has shouldered this responsibility to Dr. Parikshit Mahale on behalf of SPPU, who was also the chairman of the computer and IT department for a long time. And he has written many books on IoT and perhaps in artificial intelligence and data science. His work is really known to everybody. Very strong personality from London, UK, Dr. David Wood. He was a co-founder of the Symbian and used for the artificial intelligence along with how to tune for solving the various problems and enabling the robots to be more intelligent and human. So we know that kinesthetic intelligence, natural intelligence, musical intelligence, cognitive intelligence, and soft intelligence, these are the important technology which is heading and leading this industry 4.0. You know that the AI means any technique that enables the machines to solve the specific task in the way the human do. We know that machine learning is also the part of this artificial intelligence. The algorithm that allows the computer to learn from the example without being explicitly programmed. So machine learning, deep learning, and ANN, these are the parts of this AI and data science. As far as the data science is nothing but the proper blending of the, you have participated. I heard that more than 2,000 participation will be there.
Vice Principal, Madam, my colleague HODs, then we come across the computers. The Deep Blue computer was the first who actually defeated the world champion Garry Kasparov, and that was very shocking news for all of us. And in post-COVID situation, this artificial intelligence is a matter of not only just a luxury, but a survival, because nobody nowadays in the world wants to, and we need to have artificial intelligence to replace our fingers with the exact operations. Just let me remind also that how the nature is great. And as rightly pointed out by Vice Principal Madam and also Principal Sir, that we need to look it forward after post-COVID situation towards the artificial intelligence. Friends, who else can be better than our experts today? Explain all this, explain the horizon. Mr. Abhinit Patil, founder member of Intelli, Brenza, Ontario, Canada. And he will be speaking about the opportunities and challenges of AI, autonomous systems. And to begin with, he is integrating mechanical engineering, ENTC, and IT engineering, all software and hardware branches together. So that's very nice of you, sir. Mr. Akshay Bonde, the senior data scientist, Singapore Airlines, and we will able to understand how airline is going to operate post-COVID situation. My colleague, faculty member, Dr. Parishit Male, sir, BOS member, SPPU Pune, sir, it is really great to hear you in SPPU meetings, and especially the higher order thinking skills that you and Varsha Patil madam always deliver in our academic council meeting of SPPU. I'm sure it will be having a great and being here in the morning to India. Thank you very much on behalf of the Patil College of Engineering, Pune, sir. Your topic is opportunities and challenges of AI in autonomous systems, self-driving cars, IoT, and intelligent systems. Abhijit Patil sir is a 18-year-old tech leader who has co-founded Intelli, a software training company, and Brenza, a software development company. Abhijit sir is currently working in enterprise and bring value to society as a whole. He has consulted companies such as Walmart, Wealthsimple, and is an alumni of the Knowledge Society. He began his journey when he was 16 years. However, his love for tech has been there since a young age. Ever since then, Abhinit sir has or meetups and completed many projects with his team. Abhinit sir has technology and business, and he has continuously strived to create a positive impact on people around the world and contribute to the growth and progress of humanity. Thank you very much, sir, and we are eager to listen from you. Over to you, Abhinit Patil, sir.